how to turn on text suggestions on your phone. So if you want your phone to suggest words while you're typing, this tutorial will help you do that. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up any app where you can type, like Messages or Notes. Once the text input appears, look at the top bar and tap on the Settings gear icon to open the keyboard settings. Now, from here, tap on Corrections and Suggestions. Now, look for the option called Suggestion Strip. Now, you will see a toggle switch next to it. If the toggle is turned on, word suggestions will appear while you are typing. You can also enable next word suggestions if that option is available for more accurate predictions. Once it's enabled, it will start working immediately, and when you go back to typing, you will see suggested words appearing at the top as you type. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.